Ever pondered over the transformative power of generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, in our day-to-day life? Ever wondered how these GPTs, which are essentially large-scale machine learning models, are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology? Today we dive into the fascinating world of GPTs to uncover their unique features and applications. Since the inception of the GPT Store, a plethora of GPTs have been made available, each with its unique capabilities. However, a few stand out for their exceptional utility and time-saving features. Take the Video Summarizer AI, for instance. This GPT is a game-changer, efficiently summarizing entire YouTube videos and generating relevant follow-up questions. Think about the time you could save by getting the essence of a 2-hour-long tutorial in just a few minutes. Now consider Video AI by NVIDIA. This innovative tool takes video creation to a whole new level. Simply provide a text prompt and this GPT will produce a complete video, complete with voiceover and B-roll. It's like having your own personal video production team at your fingertips. But the world of GPTs isn't limited to video summarizing and creation. There are other unique GPTs that are just as intriguing. Designer GPT, for instance, is a boon for anyone looking to design a custom website. It blends creativity with machine learning to deliver bespoke website designs. And for those knee-deep in coding projects, Gemini is a godsend. This GPT can assist with coding projects, making the daunting task of coding a breeze. Lastly, we have Canva GPT, which takes the hassle out of creating designs. Whether you want to design a logo, a social media post, or a business card, Canva GPT is there to make your design process smooth and effortless. These GPTs are not just tools, but they represent a paradigm shift in how we interact with artificial intelligence. They are a testament to the potential of AI to streamline tasks and enhance creativity. In this video, we've seen examples and demonstrations of these GPTs in action, providing a comprehensive overview of their features and applications. In conclusion, GPTs are revolutionizing our interaction with technology, making our lives easier and more efficient. Whether it's summarizing videos, creating video content, designing websites, assisting with coding projects, or creating designs, GPTs are here to make these tasks simpler and more efficient. With the continued advancement in artificial intelligence and machine learning, the future of GPTs seems exciting and promising. And who knows, the next big thing in GPTs might just be around the corner. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep embracing the power of GPTs.